Hi friends! I love it, our new friends Blue and Bingo so much. So today we are going to go and visit him again. Let's put a puzzle together and see what Blue and Bingo do. I think so. We need level medium. Okay, friends, we need number 1 4 corners. Corners number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I see corners number 1. But I don't know where is plates for these corners. Okay. Corners plates for you this. No, it's not right, friends. Okay, variance number 2. Oh no, I was wrong. Variance number 3. Yes! Oh yeah, it's right, friends. Corners number 1 we have. Now we need corners number 2. And I see corners. Hey, and I don't know where plates for the corners. Maybe this? No, it's not right. This. Oh, I was wrong. And where is number 3? Yes! Cool. Oh, friends, I see corners. But I don't know these plates for him. What are these? Okay, maybe this. No. I think so, this. Yes! Cool. Now it's right. And now we need corners number 4. Where is corners? Maybe this? No, friends. This is only one sideline. We need peach puzzles with a 2 side line. With line 2 side. Yes? Look! One side this line and this 2 side 2 line. Yes! I think so. It's corners. And I think so. Only one variant for this play for these peach puzzles. Yes! Look, now it's right. Cool, we did it. You did it. We have 4 corners. Yes. And now we need all peach puzzles with one side line. This. Okay, I think so. Maybe this one peach puzzles with line one side, right? Okay. This not line, maybe this. No, it's not right. This. Friends, I don't understand. Where is? Oh, I see. Look, this is line and this line, and I think so. It is peach puzzles, right? Yes. Cool. I like it. Oh, it is mommy Bingo and Rolling. Wait, Bingo and Bluey. Okay, now we need peach puzzles with line this left side. Okay, I see peach puzzle this. Maybe this. No, it's not right. This. Oh no, I'm wrong. Oh yeah, look, friends. I see peach puzzles with one side line, and I think so. It is right, peach puzzles. Yes! Oh, I see Bluey. Hello, Bluey. Hello, Bingo. You can cooking maybe. Okay. We need peach puzzles, 2 peach puzzles with line this. I see 1 peach puzzles and 2. But I don't know Friends, place for these peach puzzles is or this? Maybe this. Not. No. Oh no. Okay, we're in number 2. Yay! Friends, we did it. And these peach puzzles are this. Yes, friends. Now it's right. And now we need 2 peach puzzles like this. I see 1 peach puzzle and I see 2. Okay, this peach puzzle is are these. I think so. This. Cool. It's right. And peach puzzles with line. Oh, well, sorry. Ta-da! Look, friends, we did it. Now we have all peach puzzles with one side line. It's very, very nice. Cool. Amazing. And now we need only 2 peach puzzles in the center. 1 and 2. And I think so these peach puzzles are these. Oh, sorry. This. Yay! I see being it Bluey. Hello, friends. Hello. And Daddy and Mommy. Okay. What are you doing, Family Blue?
I feel like taking a moonlit stroll with my new love.
They're holding hands. Oh yes, the moon is that way.
This way, my special man.
Thank you, friends. Thank you for your help. It's very, very interesting moment. Please, friends, like this video and subscribe and see you soon. Bye.